Hey, it's Lindsay with WTI, and I have here Kate's Professional White Backdrop. I can't wait to show you a little bit about it. I am not a professional photographer, but I did have a couple projects that I really wanted a white backdrop for, so I was really happy that I had Kate's Professional Backdrop. I will say one note I really liked, I thought it was a good idea. On the back where you hang the backdrop, it actually has their support information, so in case you have any questions, you don't have to run trying to find where to contact them. They actually have on the back their email address. How cool is that? So I thought that was a really neat detail. As far as quality goes, I think it's a really nice quality. It's a very thick, very soft material, bright white, very sturdy. When I hung it, it was easy to hang. I thought it was a really great for my needs as an amateur. I highly recommend it. They have a lot of different sizes. I have the 5x7, which I thought was a good size for smaller projects. But if you have, bigger projects you need to get done, they have sizes as well. If you're looking for a white backdrop and you're looking for something that's inexpensive, but that's gonna be a high quality, I definitely recommend Kate's Professional. And that's my point of view.